In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're looking to compile numerous documents into a single file while retaining their individual features, then a PDF portfolio is your best bet. It's an excellent way to present a collection of files, keeping them organized yet allowing independence for each file type. Let's dive right in and explore how to create one using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First, let's begin by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you've launched the program, head over to the Home interface. Here you will see an option labeled Create located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this to get started with the creation process. After the initial click, you'll be presented with a menu of creation options. From this list, you'll want to choose multiple files. This option will allow you to compile various documents into a cohesive PDF portfolio. By selecting multiple files, you're effectively paving the way to bring together different types of content under one roof, all while maintaining their original formats. Moving forward, you'll notice an option titled Create PDF Portfolio. Click on this and then proceed by clicking Next. By doing so, you're signaling to the software your intention to create a portfolio, setting the stage for you to handpick the documents you wish to include. Next, you'll need to select the files you want to incorporate into your portfolio. To do this, simply click on Add Files. This action will prompt a dialog box to appear, aptly named the Add Files dialog box, where you can navigate through your folders to find the documents you wish to include. Choose the files by clicking on them, and once you've gathered all the ones you need, hit Open. Now that your files are selected and ready to go, click on Create. This step is where the magic happens. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC will take care of compiling your selected files into a neat, organized PDF portfolio. It's a straightforward process that ensures each file retains its unique identity while being part of a comprehensive package. Finally, it's time to save your completed PDF portfolio. This is crucial to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Choose a memorable location on your computer and give your portfolio a name that represents the contents or purpose, then hit Save. And there you have it, you've successfully created a PDF portfolio in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By following these simple steps, you've managed to compile a professional and versatile document collection ready to be shared or presented as needed. Remember, this method not only keeps everything in one place, but also allows for flexibility and organization amidst a variety of file types. Thank you for watching, and happy document managing.